Amazon Basics X Small GoPro Case. Amazon Basics GoPro Case. On the go with GoPro. Whether surfing, on safari, or simply enjoying a backyard soiree, you take your GoPro along for the ride. Whatever the adventure may be, experience peace of mind and ultimate convenience with the Amazon Basics GoPro Extra Small Case. It keeps your GoPro camera and must-have accessories securely stored, neatly organized, and impeccably protected. A place for the essentials. Thoughtfully designed with a high-quality EVA foam interior, the case provides perfectly shaped compartments that neatly contain essential GoPro components. The case's unique compartments hold the following: GoPro Hero 1, 2, 3 and/or 4 camera, along with housing back doors, an SD memory card, battery and power plug. An elastic mesh pocket on the underside of the case's lid provides additional storage space for cables and other accessories. Use with any GoPro. The Amazon Basics GoPro Extra Small Case accommodates any GoPro camera, including the GoPro Hero 1, 2, 3 and/or 4. A handy pick-end plug component makes it possible to accommodate larger housings than the Hero 3 Plus camera. For home or travel, use the GoPro Extra Small Case to keep your GoPro camera and its accessories nicely organized and easy to find, perfect for at-home use or as an extra layer of protection and convenience when traveling. Interior foam padding on all sides helps keep the GoPro camera and its accessories cushioned and safe from accidental drops, bumps and scratches. The Amazon Basics GoPro Extra Small Case zips securely shut and its compact size makes it easy to store in backpacks or carry-on luggage. The case also comes with an integrated carrying handle,